Lot number 220 is a 2020 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor. This one has heavy collision damage to the front passenger corner. It's got damage all along the passenger side. The front wheel is bent, the tire is blown, and the axle is broken. The wheel is barely hanging on. This one has a good battery. It started right up. It's got a 3.3 liter engine. Engine sounds good. It only has 76,000 original miles. 76,000 original miles. Engine sounds good. It overheated after running for about 20 or 30 minutes. Let me rev it up so you can hear it. The engine sounds good. Revs up nice, idle smooth. Here are the miles, 76,738. It's got 7,229 total engine hours and 5,074 engine idle hours. AC is blowing ice cold. Now, it did take a hard hit to the passenger front corner. As you see, the radiator support is cracked. It looks like the frame right there is bent. The chassis down here, can't really tell, but again, it took a really hard hit to the corner. The hood, the bumper, the grille, headlights, fender, both passenger side doors are all damaged from the accident. The body is also damaged. Right there, you can see the body is all bent out of shape. So it's got heavy damage on the passenger side from the accident. The liftgate looks good. It's got minor dents and scratches. Rear bumper still looks good. The driver's side is nice and straight. This was a full police unit. All emergency equipment has been removed. All the decals have been removed, and there is some damage to the paint from the decal removal. Looks like they removed the decals with a screwdriver or an axe. It's got many scratches, all from the decal removal. Driver's side is nice and straight. Very minor door dings. Driver's side looks good. The other three tires are good. It's got 3 good rims and good tires. Driver's side headlight still looks good. I'll show you the interior. The windshield is cracked. Interior shows normal wear and tear, but now it's got, it's overheating. No, the temperature still looks good. I'm gonna let it run while I'm shooting the video here. So the seats were not torn, but they are damaged now from the airbag deploying. Comes with a metal center console. The dashboard is not cracked. The airbag on the steering wheel and on the driver footboard deployed. The rubber mat on the floor is torn. Both side curtain airbags deployed. Passenger side and driver side curtain airbags deployed. All the door panels are in place. They all appear to be in good shape. Here's the driver's side rear. Looks good. It's got a black vinyl rear seat, which appears to be in good shape. The headliner's torn and bruised from the accident. It's missing the driver's side tail light, and the plastic trim back here next to the glass is cracked. And it used to have some emergency lights there that have been removed. The liftgate also has scratches from the decal removal. It's missing the spare tire. Several panels back here are loose. Liftgate does not close. Small window here is broken. Here is the passenger door. It is really bent out of shape. You can see the door panel sticking out there. And you can see the damage to the body right here. Rear seat looks good. Here is the passenger door. Door panel looks good. Dashboard is not cracked. And the seat, again, the seat was in good shape until the airbag deployed. So AC is still blowing ice cold. It hasn't overheated yet. It took about 20 minutes to overheat. I could hear the fan blowing, but it's still overheated earlier. Got heavy damage to the passenger corner. The axle is broken. It cannot be driven. You cannot drive it, not even in the parking lot. The automatic transmission engages, I'll show you. But that wheel on the passenger side is holding on by a string. There's reverse, and it moves. There's drive. But again, I don't want that wheel to fall off, and temperature is still good. So it's got a good battery. It's a body man special. It's a 2020 Ford Explorer. It's got low miles, only 76,000. May be good for parts, may be good for repair. It does come with a clean title. It's lot number 220. Good luck.